Hey guys, welcome to Anju Risa channel. I'm Trisa, but to make it easy, you can call me Risa. And in this video, I will show you how to make this beautiful bow in easier way or convenient way. Stay tuned. I am using cotton fabric to make this hair bow, and you can literally use any fabric to make this hair bow. In my lovely country, Indonesia, cotton has a lot of type. There's Toyobo, Ima, Madina, and the one I use here is Madina cotton. It has a beautiful texture. I don't really know what it's called in other countries, but in my countries, this is called Madina cotton. As you can see, it has a beautiful texture. So there are three fabrics in this. The first piece is 15 by 8 centimeters. Fold the fabric in half, and we are going to sew this part. And then the second fabric is 32 by 18 centimeters. Fold the fabric in half, and we are going to sew this part. And do the same thing on the last fabric. It's 38 by 18 centimeters. Fold the fabric in half, and we are going to sew this part. Next, turn all fabrics inside out. I am using a loop turner to turn this small piece of fabric. It's easier if we have a loop turner, but if you don't have this loop turner, you can always use a safety pin. After we turn all fabrics, I will press the fabric. After this, I want to shaping the bow. So fold the fabric in half, and I will draw a straight line in the center here. This is water erasable marking pen. You can check out this marker in the description below. Just draw a straight line right in the center, and we are going to fold the fabric to the center. And we are going to sew this part. As you can see, after this, I will take the longer piece of fabric. I will fold the fabric in half like this and mark the center here, and then I will place the small piece of fabric here and put it right on the line that we just draw, and sew this part. After this, put this piece aside. Next, prepare a square fabric. The size is about 35 by 35 centimeters. Now, if you have a serger, I will suggest you to just overlock the edge like I did here using the same color thread. It's easier and faster this way, as you can see. But if you don't have a serger, I will suggest you to finish the edge like this, like I did here, using the same color thread. And I am using white color thread here. This is what I will show you in this video. So I have pressed the fabric 1 centimeters. It's about 1 centimeters. Press the fabric on all 4 sides, all edges, and we are going to do this on all 4 sides, but I will only show you once. So with the edge pressed like this, measure about 1 inches right here and 1 inches here, and then we draw a straight line like this, straight line, and then we fold it to the back side to form a triangle, and we are going to sew this part. It's like this. After we sew this part, just cut the excess fabric, and then you can just tuck this inside. Just push the corner here, and you will have a nice finished edge right here. Now we can just sew it on the folds here, but I'm going to do this on all 4 sides. Do this and be right back. I have finished the corner on all 4 sides. Now you can just simply sew right here using the same color thread. I will use this thread. I think it's the same. I will change the needle. This is the thing that I'm lazy to do about. It's changing the color thread. This is why I always use the white color thread, because it fits almost most of my fabric. As you can see, it has a nice finish on all corners. And if we use the same color thread, we can barely see the thread. It's not like the one that I made here using white color thread. It's very, very visible. So use the same color thread is the key. Next, I want to mark the center of the fabric. Fold the fabric in half to form a triangle, and then fold in half again, and I will mark the center here just to make sure it's the exact center. Now I will fold the fabric to the center, fold the fabric to the center, and then I will mark the center here just to make sure that it's balanced, it's the same shape on the left side and the right side. I will draw a center here. Just use some fabric clip to hold the shape, and I'm going to gather the fabric from here to here. Gather the fabric just a little, and take the fabric that we made earlier and gather the fabric right in the center. Gather the fabric, adjust a little, tie it, secure the thread. Next, I want to attach a hair clip on the back side. Attach a hair clip with hot glue gun, of course, and the next step is to attach the center of the bow, and we are going to sew this part for the last time. Cut this as fabric, turn it over, add a dab of glue, and that's it! Our beautiful hair bow is finished! Thanks for watching this video. If you find this tutorial useful, please give me a thumbs up and share this video. If you don't, just hit the dislike button, it's not a problem, and tell me about what you don't like. See you in my next video. Bye!